guys, welcome back. So the intro that I actually filmed back home before I left Paris got deleted, so I'm just here to say hi and introduce this video. As you can guess from the title, I am in the south of France for a week, actually less than a week. I'm on a vacation with my sister, and here is the result of our days spent in Nice. I don't even really remember what I said in the intro, but I guess it was just something like, hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, just before we start this vlog, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you feel like doing that, and I hope that you will enjoy our trip to Nice. Let's start.
For the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I would be
guys, hello from Nice. So we arrived yesterday, I think around like 5 p.m. I mean, I arrived around 5 p.m. My sister arrived a little bit earlier, so she had to wait for me at the airport. But we're both here. We made it to the place that we're staying at, and today is, I believe it's Wednesday. It should be Wednesday because we arrived on Tuesday. Anyways, so it's Wednesday today, and the plans for today include going to 2 museums, I think, or maybe 3. Looking around the old town. We also maybe wanna go to the sea to swim. We will see. But before we do all of that, we're gonna go to a vegan restaurant first to eat. So that's our plans for today. I have actually been here before when I was, I believe, 14 years old or like 15 or something. I've been here before with my high school, and I think it was kind of the same when I was here the last time. That was also in July, and I believe that it wasn't super hot, but we still decided to swim with my classmates. And I remember really liking Nice. That's why I wanted to come back here, because I feel like when you travel, when you're like a teenager and when you travel as an adult, it's so different. Like, you really appreciate different aspects of the place that you're visiting. It's nice, especially after all that gloomy weather in Paris. I will try to film as much as I can, but at the same time I don't wanna like spend all my time filming, so I'm just gonna film a little bit and then I'm gonna like enjoy my trip and focus on my sister. Also, I woke up at like 6 a.m, so I'm a little bit tired. I don't know why I keep waking up at 6 a.m. I always wake up around like 6-7 a.m. I don't know, I guess my body is just like, okay, the sun is shining, gotta go. So that's all our plans for today, so I'll talk to you guys later. And now we're gonna head to the vegan restaurant. See you later.
Úgy vettem, hogy az a legjobban melegbe.
We must unfold both young and old, 'cause time is on our side. All pain and loss we leave behind to roll. Our worlds will find. We must unfold both young.
Hello guys, it is day 2. I would actually love to show you guys around in this apartment, but we're kind of messy and our luggages are like all over the floor, so I don't think that it would be a good idea. But hello, welcome back. It is our second day, I mean third-ish, kind of second day in Nice, and our plan for today is, first of all, we're gonna go to another vegan restaurant. After lunch we're planning to go to Èze, which is a French village. I think it's gonna be really nice to see something else, not just Nice, even though it's really nice here. And then what we're gonna do after that, I think we will just come back to the apartment, chill a little bit, and then we're gonna go for a night swim later today. It's been a year since I've seen the sea. When you grow up in a country where there's literally like no water, I mean we have water but we don't have a sea in Hungary, so for us it's almost like you go on vacation like once a year to see the sea, and that's like the highlight of the year. Oh no, just kidding, of course there are other nice things to see, but it's also, I'm just not used to being around the sea or the ocean. Well, the ocean for sure. I always wonder what it's like to grow up in a place where you have the sea like so close. That's something I'll never know, but I'm sure it's nice. And that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys later.
Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields.
Nice.
I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly began to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When clouds roll in and cover, will we manage to stand the ground? Without
Mielőtt még megőrült volt.
And what's an island without a sea? For you, I'll know the way. But I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will.
Hello guys, so today is Friday and it is our last full day in Nice. Actually my throat hurts a little bit. I think that it's because of the AC. I'm just really not used to the AC because I don't have one in Paris and I also don't have one back at home, so my throat hurts a little bit, but I'm okay. Yesterday we went on a hike, sorta kinda thingy. There was like this hike from the beach up to Èze, which is the village that we visited yesterday, and I believe that we were hiking for an hour, and wow, like you're basically just walking down the rocks, and in the middle of that hike I realized that I've been there before. I've been to Èze before with my classmates back in like 2013, 14. Literally in the middle of the hike I had like a big like deja vu and I was like, okay, I've done this before, I've been here before. Great! But it was really nice, but we were so tired after it because you're literally like on the verge of dying if you don't pay attention. Not so dramatic, but yeah, what I was saying with this? Oh yeah, so we've been to Èze yesterday and today we're going to a museum and I think we're also gonna have another swim and then we're gonna come back, pack our stuff and get ready because we're leaving tomorrow. My flight leaves around 3 p.m. back to Paris, so we still have a lot of time to pack. So yeah, I think that this is going to be the last day that I'm filming. I don't think that I will film tomorrow. I hope that you enjoyed the south of France. It was nice to get out of Paris for a little while, as much as I love living there. I really like Nice. I really recommend it. It's a great vacation spot and people are really nice here and it just has like such a good vibe to it. We're gonna go now, so see you guys later.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than our mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do. Need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save me? Won't you save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left.
You see?
I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest.
You see?
All the bad things I've done and the people I've hurt. Wanna take that part of me Won't you save, 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 save?
So I think that this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Just again, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you guys back in Paris. Bye!
Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far.